Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and protecting your data. Go to Settings, General, about to verify it's an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Next, check iOS 16 compatibility. Apple did not include iPhone 7 in the supported list, so you cannot install iOS 16 on this hardware. Still, make a full backup to iCloud or to your computer via Finder or iTunes. Once done, you'll have a restore point if you decide to upgrade hardware or test alternatives. You should check Settings, then General, then Software Update to see if anything newer than your current release is offered. If iOS 16 is not listed, which is expected for iPhone 7, install the latest supported update that appears. This keeps your phone secure and stable. If you need iOS 16 features, consider moving data to a newer compatible iPhone or using cloud services and apps that provide similar functionality. Make sure to transfer your backup when you switch devices. Finish by installing any available update or migrate your backup to a newer iPhone if you choose to upgrade hardware. If an update attempt fails on your iPhone 7, make sure you have ample free space, a reliable Wi-Fi connection, and battery charged above 50% before retrying. Remember, you cannot legitimately install iOS 16 on an iPhone 7. The only official route to iOS 16 features is using a supported device. So plan for a device upgrade if those.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.